Holiday Makeup Haul Part 1. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi dear, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, how are you today guys? So today I'm super excited because today I'm going to make unboxing beauty product again and again. Of course, in my YouTube channel, we talking about beauty, makeup, and like that. If you're interested about the topic, make sure you have subscribed my channel and on bell notification like this video, and also don't forget to leave your positive comment on comment section below. Okay, and please follow my Instagram over here. So guys, today I have two paper bags to sharing unboxing with you. Okay, the first one from Shu Uemura. Okay, all is Hello Kitty collection. Okay, this one I got free from Iron Orchard Singapore. So happy, right? Okay, and the second paper bag from Sephora, of course. Yeah, if you're curious, stay on watching. Okay, let's unboxing from Shu Uemura first because all items I get free. Oh my god, so happy guys. Okay, all is Hello Kitty collection. If I don't wrong ya guys, all item total is around 240 Sing dollar. Oh my god, so happy, right? Yeah, okay. This one you know ya guys. Okay, this one the eyeshadow palette, the newest one. Oh my god. Okay. Ta-da! Wow! Okay guys, this is the eyeshadow palette, the newest one from Shu Uemura. Okay, the name is Rock the Party Eye Palette. Okay, all information over here. Okay, and also they give the belt guys. Okay, this one also can use as the bag guys. Wait, I show you first. Woohoo! La 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 la. So cute, right? Yeah guys, if the shadow finish, you can use this as the bag, yeah guys. So cute, right? Okay guys, let's see the color story. Okay, inside also have the mirror. Okay. Okay, wait, I take out first the plastic. Yeah guys. Okay, and I do some swatches for you. Okay guys, for me this shadow palette is not really pigmented as the high-end brand. Okay, the matte and the shimmer color the matte and the shimmer color is like the sheer finish. Okay, but the glittery skin is better guys. Okay, but I don't know if I try on my eyes. I don't know if using the brush like that, I don't know fall out or not, but the time I do some quick swatches on my hand like that guys. Yeah, I don't really like actually the pigmentation and the formula like that guys. Okay guys, next product. Ta-da! Okay, this one also cute packaging. Okay, this is the highlighter guys. Oh my god, so cute, right? Okay, let's open. Ta-da! Wow! Okay, let's try. Okay, I think this is a good pigmentation and also easy to blendable guys. Okay, the highlighter is good. Okay guys, next product, the lipstick. Ta-da! Okay, this is also cute packaging. Okay, you can see actually this is simple. Okay, simple but still cute. Okay, let's open guys. No smell guys. Okay, this one is glittery lipstick ya guys. You can see. Okay, the shade is, I don't know guys, I don't know guys. Okay, let's swatches. Okay, the finish, I think like the metallic lipstick, guys. Okay, guys, and the last product from Shu Uemura. Okay, this one all is sachet, ya guys. Foundation and cleansing oil. Okay, 2 sachet foundation and 3 sachet cleansing oil. Okay, like this, guys. Yeah, I don't know good or not, guys. If you have experience with Shu Uemura, you can comment on comment section below. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, next unboxing from Sephora. Okay, guys, we start from the cheapest first. Okay, the first product I purchased multi-texture sponge. Okay, actually this is second time I purchased this because this one cheap, only $8 and very comfortable to wear, no need to make jam like that. So yeah, I love it. Okay, next I purchased sheet mask. Okay, this one actually for like anti-aging skin like that, guys. This is only 3 pieces, guys. I forgot the price. I will put over here. Okay, next I purchased Tara. Wow, this is a concealer by Cosmetic. Bye Bye Under Eye. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. Quick unboxing, guys. Next is Tara. Okay, this is Wonder Glow Instant Soft Focus Beauty Glow Primer from Tilbuty. Only 15 ml. The price is $35. Yeah, expensive, guys. Hope this is suitable for me, guys. Okay, let's see the texture, guys. Wow, smells very nice. Oh my god, like this, guys. Smell very nice, guys. What different, guys? Okay, like guys, next time I try and yeah, give you the review. If you have experience with this, please share your experience in comment section below, guys. Okay, we quick unboxing and next product, Tara. I'm so excited, guys. Okay, this is a blush from Dior Backstage or Rosy Glow. I take shade no 01. Sorry, 01 is pink color, guys. Tara, oh my god, guys, this is quick sold out in Sephora, guys, you know. Yeah. Okay, so cute, right, guys? Smell very nice. Okay, let's try. Wow, baby pink, like this, guys. Actually, this is a very natural color, guys. Okay, you can see here, guys. Okay, next product I purchased a face palette from Burberry. This is also a new product from Burberry, guys. Okay, this is 100 plus. I forgot the price. This is very nice packaging, guys. Okay, and let's be open. Oh, okay, guys, I read for you. Okay, this is the Dusty Pink Matte Blusher. Okay, and this one is Burberry Baked Matte. Okay, and next is Golden Shimmer. Okay, and on the bottom is Dark Parmis Satin, and next is Bridal Brown Satin, and next is highlighter, guys, Rose Gold Shimmer, like that. Oh my god, so pretty color, guys, suitable for jelly makeup like that, guys. Okay, actually this is first time I purchased makeup from Burberry brand. Okay, I don't have experience before. If you have experience with Burberry beauty brand, you can share your experience on comment section below, guys. Okay, guys, and let's do some quick swatches. Okay, the highlighter. Okay, guys, let's see. This is the highlighter. Okay, actually this is very natural highlighter. Okay, you can see. Okay, the blush also same, yeah, guys. Very natural color. Okay, actually I think the colors looks like the Dior blush, that one. And I really love the eyeshadow because it's so pigmented and yeah, it's so pigmented and also blendable, guys. But I don't know fall out or not like that. Okay, I didn't try on my eyes. Okay, next time I try and give you the review, of course. Yeah, but if you have experience with this palette, you can sharing your experience in comment section below, guys. Okay. Sorry, aduh. We move to the last product I purchased from Sephora. Oh my god, I'm very excited, guys. Wow, what is this, guys? Okay, you know, guys, from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay, actually this is my first product I purchased from Anastasia. Yeah, let's see, guys. Oh my god, so pretty color, guys. Yeah, let's see. Let's open, guys. Let's open. Oh my god, wait. Oh my god, guys, I really love this mirror. It's so big, guys. Very happy, guys. Okay, yeah, let's see the color story. Okay, most of them is of course purple color, guys. Okay, I want to do some swatch only for you because this is so many colors, guys. Okay, wait, yeah, okay, let's try the shimmer first. This one, oh my god, I really love it, guys. This is soft purple, guys. Wow, it's so pigmented. Oh my god, and the smell very nice, guys. Okay, let's try the matte color, guys. Okay, I want to try this one, the purple. Oh, I really love the texture, guys. It's so pigmented, guys. Guys, I'm so happy with this, guys. Okay, I want to try wait. I want to try the white color, yeah. I think, oh, this one matte color, guys. Okay, this is wow, it's so pigmented, guys. Wow, so pretty colors. Okay, next. Aduh, I'm so happy, guys. Okay, next I want to try the wait. Okay, this one, the blue one, guys, the dark blue. Oh. Oh my god, guys, this is really recommended, guys. Anastasia Beverly Hills brand. Yeah, guys, if you have experience with Anastasia, you can share on comment section below, yeah. Okay, guys, I'm going to close this video, but before it, make sure you subscribe and on bell notification because my next future video is talking about unboxing Sephora haul again. Yeah, why I separate make become part 1 and part 2 because if continue, guys, become too long, I worried you are boring like that, guys. Yeah, hope you always enjoy my video and thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.